Hi guys, in this short video, I'm going to share with you 3 healthy recipes. I dine out occasionally, but I just feel really at ease and comfortable knowing all the ingredients that I'm making, putting into the food. And so without further ado, let's get started. The first one we're making is the soup noodles. The second one, we're going to be using Chinese chives and eggs. Starting with oil in the pan and put in the Chinese chive. When the chives are about to be cooked, pouring in egg liquid. And simply wait until the egg liquid solidated. And there we go. This is the final look. The third recipe contains ingredients: dried tofu puff, green bell pepper, and some green leaves. Any type you like. Here you want to bring in the vegetable first and then the tofu puff. So adding on some soy sauce, and if you have dark soy sauce, you could add on that too, because that makes the tofu puff more flavorful. Okay, these are 3 recipes for you. Hope you have a lovely, healthy, and beautiful day. Bye!